Does being a solo sailor make you selfish, egotistical, self-righteous? Yeah, of course it does. You know, because you're the only one around, so you're the best. You're the most beautiful. You're the most cool. You're just awesome, because no one else is around to compare you to. But then, if you're a solo sailor, you also meet a bunch of people, which is more my case. I tend to meet a bunch of people, as well as being alone, so I can be full of myself. And then there's the times when, because you do know people, they help you out, like my friend Paolo.
Ciao, Paolo.
He just brought over about 200 liters of water, which is great because I needed it. And it's not as easy to fill up your tanks here, like at the marina where you just fill it up with a hose. So Paolo's a dude I met a couple years ago. He came down on his boat that was built in Poland called Voyage, and is trying to start a business to cruise around the islands. Came at the wrong time because it was during the pandemic, but I think now he's doing a little bit better. He's moved from Mindelo to here in Boa Vista, and there's a couple big hotels here, so he's starting to pick up some business from some of these hotels, and I'm really happy for him. I made this little video to help promote his offer and his boat and what he's doing, and of course with the help of Peter, who shot some awesome drone video. And you know, he didn't have much money to pay for his promotion and stuff, and I said, listen, I'll do you a favor. And last night he took me out, we got really drunk together, kind of hung over today, it was fun, and he just brought over a bunch of water, so it's great. Sailors help each other out. When you help somebody else, it's good karma, and that help will come around, and this is proof of it today. It's fabulous. Thank you very much, Paolo.
Here's what we created for Paolo. I had a couple more things to do before lifting anchor, like get my exit papers from the police, and get gasoline for the generator and dinghy.
It's my new crew!
As well, thank this crew for watching it and filling it up with water and sand every day. By the way, these kids are galopins, the name of my boat. Petit galopin in French means little rascal. So now you know. I had been meaning to check on my anchor, see if it dug into the sand. Me and Galopin had not dragged, so I felt pretty darn secure. Yo man, the hull is growing again. I wish I had the same rapid, healthy growth on my bald head. It's shallow here, between 3 and 4 meters, so technically I needed 5 times the depth and chain length. I had a bit more, like 10 times more. Finally, I saw my reliable Mantis anchor. It had dug in, but not much. So now you know why I let out so much chain. About 50 meters. Poor Galopin has become a microbiosphere, man. Don't worry, buddy. I'll clean you up some.
Wake up, winded voyagers. It's me, Sailor Alex. We're off. We've been sailing for 2 hours, since 3 o'clock in the morning. We left Boa Vista, and we're motoring. Listen, the day is just rising. Hola, tudo bem? So, there's absolutely no wind, maybe 6 knots, so we're motoring. Wind's supposed to rise around 8 o'clock this morning. That's in about 2 hours. So we'll see what happens, man. What? No. I'm imagining things. I'm alone. I'm talking to myself. No, I'm talking to you. Talking to... Oi, baby. Aren't you sexy? Oi. Wouldn't you like to know who's there? Well, wait till the light of the day rises, and I'll show you. Pretty special. What? Talking to me? You? Must be, because I'm the only one here. And a good morning to you, everybody up there, way out in the YouTube world. What's up? No, I'm not gonna talk like one of those YouTubers. Well, turned off the engine. Wind picked up to about 10 knots. Sails are almost fully opened. Just took one reef. You never know. I guess I decided to go to her room, and I wish I could show her to you. She's just stunning. Something else, but when I sail with people, sometimes it seems like I'm sailing alone, and when I'm sailing alone, sometimes it feels like somebody's here with me. So conditions are pretty cool, really mellow. It's about 9 o'clock. Hopefully I'll get there late afternoon. We'll see. Sails are flapping. Come on, wind. Well, I shouldn't say that. Can be dangerous here. Do not jinx yourself here by asking for more wind, because when you get it, you get it. Now it's nice. It's nice. Just a little lull. Things are going pretty well now. Wind is picked up to about, still about 11, 12 knots. Just perfect. Regular 5 knots, speed, comfortable. at a broad reach, and I don't know what there is to say. Ate some food, took a few naps. Oh, I jibed. I jibed. Anyways, yeah, to get a better angle on the wind, I'm trying to stay at 120. I don't like to be straight downwind, you know? So, it looks like I need a little adjustment again now. Hold on a second. Right, doing good now. I like to be at 120 degrees angle when I'm sailing downwind, not more than that. I try to do the butterfly or scissor sails, but it didn't work out. It just kept flapping, and you know, with the waves and stuff. I could have put the spinnaker pole to hold it together, but you know, I'm all alone and gotta walk up on the deck, and I'm not going that far. And so, you know, I can handle it like this and kind of weave a little bit down and jibe one more time when we get near the island. But this is good now. Good. You know? I hope that she gets a little upset, mad, you know, if it sways too much. So I hope she's not too upset. Are you okay? She's fine. She's fine. Hold on, it's my friend. I'm trying to get her to come out and, you know, hang out in the cockpit and get some sun, but she doesn't want to. She's something else in a bikini. Huh? Thinks I'm talking about her. Oh well. Anyways, hopefully she'll be back out here soon. She was a moment ago, but she wouldn't let me take pictures of her or video. She's kind of shy. I didn't say, I'm not talking about you. No, I'm kafaladbo. Yeah. Anyways.
So who was with me? Use your imagination. That's what I did. Hey, it was great to have you aboard on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, leave a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. We promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard, man.